It is raining today. The air becomes very fresh. I'm gonna make roasted peppers to warm ourselves up. First, wash a pound of shishito peppers. Prepare a pan lined with parchment paper. Spread the peppers in the pan. Don't pile them together. Sprinkle sea salt and black pepper evenly. This dish is very simple and delicious. It is like pan-seared green chili peppers, but it is even easier to make. Drizzle olive oil generously. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Bake for 15 minutes. The peppers are ready to serve. They look shiny and tempting. So delicious, not spicy at all. So good.